Cobra in front of us, babe. He's got 4 cobras on his head. Scary.
Yes.
Woo!
Yes.
Yeah! Oh, we're starting to turn. We'll go backwards down this hill. Yay! Woo! Nice view of that. On to that. Whee! Backwards. Oh, we got a bit of spinning action for a change. Me and Mrs. H never experienced this. Woohoo! Good little spin traction. Oh yeah.
There is no escape.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget, check out some of our latest videos. And if you're planning a trip to Florida, be sure to check out our Florida on a budget video for all the tips and tricks you need to get your perfect Florida holiday at the cheapest price possible.